So if you want to find mean of group data, first you should be thorough with the formula for mean. What is the formula for mean for group data? When you add, we call it a sigma fi xi. This is the value of sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi is 760. Sigma square is equal to sigma fi into xi minus x bar the whole square by n. So this table column entries are made depending on the formula. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with problems of statistics. So now exercise 15.2. Find the mean and variance for each of the data in the exercise 1 to 5. So now problem 4, let us find mean and variance. So if you want to find mean of group data, first you should be thorough with the formula for mean. What is the formula for mean for group data? Sigma fi xi divided by n, where n is the sum of frequencies. And this is the formula for what? Mean. Similarly, to find the variance of group data, again you should know the formula. Variance is symbolized by sigma square. Sigma square is equal to sigma fi into xi minus x bar the whole square by n. See, these two formulas should be thorough. So first is mean, sigma fi xi by n, then is variance, sigma square, we say sigma fi into xi minus x bar by n, x bar the whole square by n. Accordingly, we'll construct the table and we'll solve. They gave the observation. So now table columns. So first you should have xi, then you have fi, then you have fi xi, then you'll have xi minus x bar, then you should have xi in xi minus x bar the whole square, because in the formula we have xi minus x bar the whole square also. So first I told you mean, how to calculate mean? Mean is sigma fi into xi by n, all of you know. And then is variance. Variance is symbolized by sigma square, that is sigma fi into xi minus x bar the whole square by n. And depending on this, we should create the column. What is mean formula of group data? Sigma fi xi by n, n is sum of frequencies. What is variance formula? Sigma fi into xi minus x bar the whole square by n. So now if you see the entries, the columns required are, we need xi, then we need frequency, then we need product of frequency and observation, then we need xi minus x bar, and if you observe, you need xi minus x bar the whole square, then we need fi into xi minus x bar the whole square. So we'll make this column, one column is xi, the other one is fi, then fi xi, then xi minus x bar, then xi minus x bar the whole square, thus. So these are the table entries required, and these are the two formulae required. So now we'll apply this. Going ahead, so xi, fi. What are xi? Observations. 6, 10, 14, 18, all those things will enter. 6, 10, 14, and frequencies given 2, 4, 6, 7, 12. Enter them. First you add all the frequencies. Sum of the frequencies gives you 40, that we call it as n. Then product of f and x you should do. So 6 into 2, 12, 10 4s are 40, 14 into 7, 98, 18 12s are 216, 24 into 8, 192, 28 into 3, 90. Then you add all these things. When you add, we call it a sigma fi xi. This is the value of sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi is 760. Now we need mean. So mean formula, x bar is sigma fi xi by n. Sigma fi xi is 760, n is 40, divide it, you will get 90. This is mean. So now you got x bar. X bar means what? Mean is what? 19. Now you got the value of what? Mean. Mean is how much? 19. Further, variance. What is the formula for variance? Sigma fi into xi minus x bar the whole square by n. So now xi minus x bar the whole square. First you find mean, and then xi minus x bar. So what is xi we got? Xi means each observation, 13. X bar is 19. So 6 minus 13 mod minus 13. 10 minus 19 minus 9, 14 minus 19 minus 5, 18 minus 19 minus 1, 24 minus 19 5, 28 minus 19 11, like this you fill this. Then square this, xi minus x bar the whole square. Minus 13 the whole square is plus 169. Minus 9 whole square means minus 9 into minus 9 plus 81. Minus 5 square 25. Minus 1 square 1. Minus 5 square 25. 11 square 121. Then you do fi into xi minus x bar the whole square. Now you multiply this. So 2 into 169, 338, 4 into 81, 324, 7 into 25, 175, 12 ones are 12, 8 into 25, 200, 3 into 121, 363. So Fy into xi minus x bar the whole square if now you add this, if you add you'll get 1736. This is sigma Fy into xi minus x bar the whole square. Now substitute in the formula for variance. What is variance? Sigma Fy into xi minus x bar the whole square by n. That is 1763 divided by 40. If you do, you'll get 43.6. So entries of the table xi, Fy, Fy, xi. Then we have xi minus x bar, then Fy into xi minus x bar the whole square, and use this to formula, you'll get it. Next problem. Again they give xi and frequency, and they want you to find mean and variance. Dear children, what is the formula for mean? What is the formula for mean? Mean is calculated in group data as x bar is equal to sigma Fy into xi divided by n. And variance is calculated in the form of sigma square is equal to sigma Fy into xi minus x bar the whole square by n, or 1 by n into. So depending on the entries, what are the entries of the table? So we'll make a table containing xi, then we'll have Fy, then we'll have product of these two, Fy, xi, then we'll have xi minus x bar, then we'll have xi minus x bar the whole square, then Fy into xi minus x bar the whole square. So this table column entries are made depending on the formula. So in the formula of frequency we need, for mean we need Fy, xi. In the formula we need Fy, xi, that's why Fy, xi. And this gives you, if you add this column gives you sigma Fy, xi. And if you add this frequency, this column gives you n. And then we also need this. Then if we add this, we'll get what is called as sigma Fy into xi minus x bar the whole square. So these columns I'm making depending on the values. Once you do this, then we have formula xi observations, then Fy, then Fy into xi. If you do 92 into 3, 276, 93 into 2, 186, like that, we'll fill this. Then xi minus x bar. So how to calculate x bar? So to calculate x bar, we'll use the formula. So x bar is sigma Fy yi. In spite of x, we are using y, or we can also use sigma Fy xi, that is 2200 divided by n. N is 100. So this is xi, Fy xi, that is 2200 by n. If you do, you'll get the value divided by n. What is n? So if you see the n value is 22 divided by 22. So if you simplify, 22 ones are 22 and 100. So you'll get 100 as x bar. Once you get x bar is 100. Each observation you subtract from this. That is 92 minus 100 minus 8, 93 minus 100 minus 7, 97 minus 100 minus 3, like that. Then square this, xi minus x bar the whole square, minus 8 square 64, minus 7 square 49, minus 3 square 9, minus 2 square 4, like that. Then you do Fy into xi minus x bar the whole square, Fy into xi minus x bar the whole square. If you do 3 into 64, 192, 2 into 49, 92, 3 into 9, 27, like this. Then summation of this gives you 640. This we call it as what? Sigma Fy into xi minus x bar the whole square. And summation of frequency is what? N. This is n. Substitute in the formula. So what is variance? Sigma Fy into xi minus x bar the whole square by n. So from the table, numerator is 640, and from the table n is 22. 640 by 22 if you do, you'll get 29.09. This is the variance. I hope all of you understood how to find mean and variance. If you know the formula, you can make the columns and enter the values and then use the suitable formula to carry. So please sit and revise this and become thorough. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.